Yeah, just let's get this answered.
All
And
right.
we
Will
can.
wrote, when do you recommend going with a FuelTech ECU for an SVHO? And does anyone offer maps for purchase to get you started in the ballpark?
Uh, so putting a fuel tech on it is, I wouldn't recommend it. Oh, you've got these modifications done. You need to have a fuel tech, because map tuner has proven to be incredible, even for 100+ mile an hour skis, and it does the job. The benefit that you get with fuel tech is the control over it if you want to tune it yourself, and the capability it has. The stock ECU, you can't add a true launch control. You can't do now methanol injection like I talked about. You can't have a boost controller. You can't do nitrous control if you want to do something crazy like that. You can't have a programmable traction control feature. Uh, so if any of those things sounded cool to you and you like tuning your stuff yourself, you're kind of in that niche market where you like the control, you like making your changes, you love the data logging that you have, then I don't care if you got an 83 mile an hour SVHO, you would enjoy the FuelTech package. And FuelTech actually offers base maps. If you got a ski, because the hardware is a little different, and the programming with the ride stuff, they have base maps for each ski. You upload it in there, make the changes you need to, and it's actually really easy tuning it. That's probably going to be my next video when we take this to the water. I just set my O2 target, which is my AFR. Like if I want it at 9,500 RPM and 22 pounds of boost, I want the AFR to be like 11.9 point whatever, 11.9 whatever. It'll hold it there, and you'll see, okay, it added 5% fuel or took away 5% fuel. You go to the map, make the 5% adjustment on that cell, and you're good to go. It's actually really easy tuning it. It's a dream to work with. So,
right. But they do not offer like the catalog of tunes that are already done for you.
Right. It's
like
not going to be like I have these. It's not like RIVA where you got stage 1, 2, and 3 tunes. You're going to have an overall bass tune. And anyone that purchases a FuelTech ECU from us, if you need help tuning it, I help people all day long, make small adjustments to their maps, get them going. We're happy to do that and no charge. That's part of, you buy it from us, you get that service too.
Yeah, that's good. And that's another reason why you got to go through Green Hulk and the Green Hulk PWC Performance Store.
Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.